Hi everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to go ahead and sign up for an account on my brand new website. The site has launched and this is our new homepage. So everything is pretty much the same as far as navigation wise. All of the different card types, holidays, occasions, different projects, etc. The only thing that's different is that now you're going to need to create an account on my website in order to access all of my projects and files. I have 3 different membership tiers. One would be a free option, so if you are already a member of our community, nothing has changed as far as the files, the access to the community, and all the weekly tutorials. There are some paid subscription models as well. If you have not created an account yet, go ahead and click the sign up button and you're brought to a landing page that talks about the membership. Just a bunch of information about me, about the Bearded Housewife, and things that we do on this website. Then you're brought down to all the information about the memberships. We have a basic membership that is free, and then 2 paid memberships, the monthly membership and the annual membership. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a free account. You can browse this page and make the decision that's best for you, whether you want to have a free, monthly, or annual membership. The monthly and annual memberships do include a lot more bonuses and a lot more features than the free option. So I'm going to go ahead and click choose plan, and you just fill out some basic information, the username that you would like to use on the account, your email, a password that you would like to use, and then you have to verify if you're an actual human or not. You can go ahead and click sign up, and then you will be emailed your login information. I've already gone ahead and created an account, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Once you log in, you are brought to your member dashboard. I'll be going through some of this in detail when you sign up for a membership, but for this tutorial I just wanted to let you know how to go ahead and browse as you would already. The file vault right here is the file library. There's a quick link right here for you to click, and then you're brought to all the files. You will see the file library has gotten a little bit of a makeover. There are now project pictures, and there's download links and then links to the tutorial like usual. So that is a very quick overview on how to join my new website, whether it be a free, monthly, or annual membership. I know that was really fast, but I just wanted to show you the bare bone basics of what we have going on for you. If you have any questions, make sure to email me. I will include a link in the video description, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy this. It's going to be so much fun. I'll see you later. Bye.